So, scorekeepers, randomize, please. In 3, 2, 1. 10-5-6-5 takes the field. 7-7-7-6 and 30-58 both seem to have stopped after trying to unlatch. It's hard to tell if 7-7-7-6 unlatched successfully, but 30-58 seems to be at an angle. 10-5-6-5 drops their marker in the blue depot.
And both 10-5-6-5 and 3-9-6-5 have attempted to sample their minerals, but have not succeeded.
And we come to Teleop.
Pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we begin. 10-5-6-5 lurching ahead, trying to get more minerals into that corner. Whoa, that's real fast. 30-58 rearranging themselves to try and push some of their sample field minerals over into that blue depot. 7-7-7-6 getting set up, moving around.
Meanwhile, 3-9-6-5 attempts to court minerals into their depot.
3-9-6-5 seems to be having issues with this gold mineral. It keeps getting caught under what looks like a flap on the underside of their robot. It's hard to tell if that's intended design or if that's just an issue. 30-58 over in the corner, looking like they're still trying to rearrange.
Meanwhile, 7-7-7-6 attempts to steal minerals, but is blocked.
A little bit of praise for 30-58, whose marker, despite not being deployed, still looks like it came straight out of Recycle Rush. 3-9-6-5 still trying to move minerals. We haven't seen anyone go for play in that lander yet as we move to the last 20 seconds of the teleop period. 30-58 still aiming to move more minerals. It looks like they're trying to steal from the Red Alliance's depot.
And they managed to get a single silver out, but
7-7-7-6 moves in to prevent. 5 seconds left. 10-5-6-5 seems to have had a PWM cable come off the robot. We move into the endgame period. Let's see if 10-5-6-5 is mortally wounded or not.
And as all four teams move in to hang, it's a bit of a toss-up.
7-7-7-6 looks like they've got their latch on.
30-58
is up.
hooked.
30-58 is up. 10-5-6. Oh, and they fall.
But 7-7-7-6, they're both able to recover.
It looks like they're all four up, and that's the end.
Good job, all teams.
All right, looks like the scores are in for qualification 8, and it was indeed a very close match. Only 39 points giving Blue Alliance the win, 159 to 120, taking 30-58 up to first place.